Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we delve into the traditional fashion choices of the stunning Kashmira Pardeshi. Known for her elegant style, Kashmira effortlessly combines tradition and modernity. Let's get started. Her traditional wardrobe is a feast for the eyes. From vibrant saris to intricately designed lehengas, she embraces the richness of Indian textiles and craftsmanship. First up, let's talk about Kashmira's love for saris. She often opts for timeless silk saris with intricate borders, exuding grace and sophistication. Whether it's a Kanjivaram or a Banarasi, she knows how to make a statement. When it comes to festive occasions, Kashmira dazzles in lehengas. She chooses vibrant colors and detailed embroidery, showcasing the diversity of Indian ethnic wear. Her lehenga choices are a perfect blend of tradition and contemporary design. Anarkali suits are another favorite in her traditional fashion repertoire. She carries these gracefully flared outfits with poise, often selecting pastel shades and intricate embellishments that highlight her refined taste. Her fashion choices are a reflection of her understanding of cultural nuances. She effortlessly combines traditional elements with modern aesthetics, creating a style that is both classic and on-trend. Kashmira doesn't just stop at outfits, her attention to detail extends to accessories. Statement jewelry, particularly jhumkas and intricate neckpieces, add the perfect finishing touch to her traditional looks. These accessories accentuate the cultural richness of her ensembles. One thing that sets Kashmira apart is her ability to seamlessly blend traditional and contemporary styles. She often experiments with fusion wear, combining traditional silhouettes with modern elements. An Indo-Western twist to an outfit adds an unexpected charm to her overall look. Hairstyles play a crucial role in completing any traditional look, and the actress nails it every time. Whether it's the classic bun adorned with flowers or soft curls, her hairstyles complement the outfit, adding an extra layer of elegance. We were lucky enough to get a sneak peek behind the scenes of one of her photoshoots. It's fascinating to see how much thought goes into selecting the perfect outfit, accessories, and even the right hairstyle to create a cohesive and stunning look. Kashmira's makeup game is as strong as her fashion choices. She often opts for a timeless and radiant look, with a focus on well-defined eyes and subtle lip colors. Her makeup perfectly complements the richness of her traditional outfits, enhancing her natural beauty. One striking aspect of her traditional wardrobe is her nod to regional diversity. Whether it's a handwoven sari from South India or a vibrant lehenga inspired by the colors of Rajasthan, she pays homage to the diverse cultural heritage of India through her fashion choices. The actress manages to infuse traditional elements into her glamorous looks. Her red carpet appearances often feature designer couture with intricate embroidery, showcasing her ability to effortlessly merge opulence and tradition. Kashmira's style not only reflects her personal taste but also serves as a celebration of India's rich textile and fashion history. Her choices draw inspiration from various regions, creating a harmonious blend of cultural diversity. In addition to her impeccable style, the actress is also an advocate for sustainable fashion. She often promotes handwoven fabrics and supports local artisans, emphasizing the importance of ethical and eco-friendly choices in the fashion industry. She frequently chooses handloom fabrics, promoting the rich heritage of Indian textiles and empowering local weavers. Her advocacy for handwoven saris and outfits is truly commendable. Kashmira actively engages in philanthropic efforts within the fashion industry. She collaborates with various charitable organizations to promote sustainable practices, ensuring that her influence extends beyond the runway and red carpet. During festive seasons, the actress often experiments with fusion wear that combines traditional and contemporary elements. Her festive fusion ensembles showcase a modern twist to traditional silhouettes, making them versatile and suitable for various occasions. Kashmira's impact goes beyond her individual style. Her support for handcrafted textiles and her involvement in philanthropy highlight a holistic approach to fashion, one that considers cultural heritage, sustainability, and social responsibility. The actress has been part of several collaborations with designers who draw inspiration from different cultures. These collaborations result in stunning pieces that not only showcase her versatility but also celebrate the beauty of cultural exchange through fashion. One of her style tips is the art of accessorizing. She often emphasizes the importance of selecting the right accessories to elevate a traditional outfit, turning it into a personalized fashion statement. What sets Kashmira apart is her ability to balance bold and subtle elements in her looks. Whether it's a vibrant color palette, intricate embroidery, or minimalist detailing, she understands the power of contrasts, creating a visual harmony that captivates the eyes. Her fashion choices reveal a deep understanding of self-expression. Her balanced approach to bold and subtle elements suggests a conscious effort to communicate different facets of her personality through her style, resonating with a diverse audience. The actress often gravitates towards timeless classics. Her wardrobe boasts traditional pieces that stand the test of time, showcasing her appreciation for heritage fashion that transcends fleeting fads. The traditional fashion choices are deeply rooted in cultural influences. From paying homage to her Marathi roots to embracing pan-Indian styles, her wardrobe is a celebration of the rich diversity within the country. Kashmira elevates her traditional ensembles with regional handcrafted accessories. Intricately designed Kolhapuri jewelry, oxidized silver pieces, and traditional Maharashtrian nath add a personalized touch, reflecting her appreciation for cultural diversity. The actress effortlessly transitions her traditional looks from day to night. Whether it's a day event or a glamorous evening affair, she knows how to adapt her styling. Lighter fabrics and minimal jewelry during the day, and a strategic switch to bolder elements for a night out. Her versatility lies not just in her choice of outfits but in how she styles them. Mixing and matching accessories and understanding the impact of different fabrics and the various lighting conditions are key elements of her day-to-night transitional style. A noteworthy aspect of her traditional wardrobe is her experimentation with textiles. From experimenting with unconventional fabric combinations to reviving forgotten weaves, she showcases a deep appreciation for the artistry and craftsmanship embedded in each piece. Her commitment to promoting traditional crafts extends to collaborations with local artisans. By actively participating in the design process, she ensures that each piece tells a unique story, celebrating the skills and talents of the artisans she works with. Her wardrobe often features outfits crafted from eco-friendly materials, and she actively supports designers and brands that prioritize ethical practices in production. In a nod to the timeless allure of vintage fashion, Kashmira effortlessly incorporates vintage pieces into her traditional looks. Whether it's a vintage-inspired sari or classic jewelry passed down through generations, she brings a touch of nostalgia to her modern style. Kashmira's traditional fashion choices transcend borders. She often incorporates global influences into her looks, seamlessly blending traditional Indian attire with elements from diverse cultures, creating a fashion fusion that resonates internationally. At the heart of her traditional wardrobe lies a celebration of craftsmanship. Her outfits often feature meticulous embroidery, zari work, and handwoven details that showcase the skill and artistry of the talented artisans behind each creation. Color plays a pivotal role in her traditional ensembles. She makes thoughtful choices, often selecting colors that hold cultural or personal significance. Whether it's the vibrancy of red symbolizing auspicious occasions or the subtlety of pastels, each hue tells a story. Every accessory in Kashmira's ensemble tells a tale. From the symbolism of the bindi on her forehead to the significance of traditional jewelry, she weaves stories through her accessories, adding layers of meaning to her overall look. The actress effortlessly adapts her traditional fashion choices to the seasons. Lighter fabrics and breezy silhouettes dominate her summer wardrobe, while rich, layered textures take center stage during the festive winter months. And there you have it, a glimpse into Kashmira Pardeshi's traditional fashion choices. From saris to lehengas and anarkali suits, she truly knows how to celebrate the beauty of Indian ethnic wear. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.